Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. Today I'm going to measure high capacitance capacitors. As you can see, all of the capacitors are high voltage, and we are going to measure the capacitors with this simple meter GDM 461. This is high accuracy multimeter, and with two clips I'm going to measure the high voltage capacitors. I think the first one that I'm going to measure is this film capacitor. As you can see, the number that we can see is 0.02. Let me like that. It's 2.4 nanofarad capacity. Direct on price, as you can see, 2.5 nanometer. Very good. The next one I'm going to test is the micro oven capacitors, like that. And as you can see, the number is 0.85 microfarad. I will connect this. Here is the value of this capacity, 0.85 microfarad. Okay, this one is super old capacitor for the telephone box PBX. It is something like 1 kilovolt and 2 microfarad capacitance. And here is the amount. Very nice. I'm going to measure the next one. Is also the old oil capacitor, something like 1 microfarad. Very easy. Direct on price, 0.90. Around 1 microfarad. The next one is this 100 nanofarad cap. Here is also oil. The floating oil capacitor, 100 nanofarad, and here is the amount. Very good. We go to this one. As you can see, this is 0.47 microfarad and 2000 volt DC. The measurement for the DC voltage is not easy because of, as you can see, we have two close legs for the cap. Here is 0.47. This amazing multimeter with nice price. I believe it's very good to measure high voltage capacitors. I'm going to the polyester Japanese one, this one. As you can see, here is 2 pack of capacitors inside the cap. It's a Japanese one, and we have very good rate with this. Here is 10 nanofarad, stable and good. We're going for the next high voltage cap. This one is non-standard amount. This one, and look at that, 4.5 nanofarad. I'm not sure that it's easy to read the numbers or not. And here we have two huge caps. You can see the measurement of these caps also possible with this multimeter, but before connecting the alligator clips must be checked that we don't have any voltage inside the capacitors. I will connect. You take a short bit to show the value of the capacitors. Exactly 52 nanofarad. Very nice. Very nice amount and stable. Let me show you. Amount over here. .05. This is very old version, but it's working very nice. The frequency is 100 Hertz and 25 kilovolts DC. The amount is 0.05 microfarad and 9 kilowatt in AC and 25 kilovolt in DC. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.